Poor guy at our cooking. Hi, how are you? We're doing a Mexican-ish street corn dip. Now, I've done videos. I did a authentic grilled Mexican street corn, the actual ear of corn, and I did a smoked casserole per se. This is different. This is a dip, so it's not going to be your standard ingredients for the most part for Mexican street corn. Okay, I'm just saying. So I'm going off a recipe. We actually got to sample this last week at our son's house, and it was really good. So we want to do it again. I'm going to do this out in the Z grills, like it would be an oven. So it's not really going to be smoked because it's going to be at 375, and you're not going to get a lot of smoke. So anyway, let's see if I remember it. We start with two just big old bricks of cream cheese, and the guy just literally popped them in there because we watched the video. There we go. And then you've got 16 ounces of pepper jack. Yeah, I'll put that over there. Now this is just great value, already cubed up pepper jack cheese because, you know, poor guy out there cooking. We're pretty simple. Okay, half a cup of sour cream. That's all, just half a cup of sour cream. No big deal.
Yeah.
Does that bother you?
Yeah. On that cup.
All right. Sour cream, right. Corn, southwestern corn with poblanos and red peppers. Pour that in. So it's kind of basically like you may do a queso, right? We're pouring all these ingredients in, and we're going to bake it. Okay, there's our 2 cans of southwestern, 2 tablespoons of garlic, of course. Oh yeah, put right in there. This is a jalapeno. Hey, Aiden, my sous chef over there, did a great job of chopping it. We removed the seeds because some people don't like seeds in their jalapenos here in the house. So we're actually catering this to what we like and don't like. So there's one diced jalapeno, seeds removed. None of us are huge cilantro fans, so we're using less cilantro than normal because it calls for it at the end too. So let's go ahead and put that in there. I'll give this a shake. I believe, oh, tahine. Tahine, yeah, we actually had this on hand. We've used this before. So we're going to go with some tahine. And this recipe also calls for lime. Dawn's not a huge fan of lime flavored foods, but this tahine has some lime flavor in it, so I think we'll be just fine. Again, we're making this according to the way we want to eat it because we're going to eat it. Tahine, yeah, a heavy amount of it is what the recipe calls for. I think that's fair because I think we're going to put some more on the end. So also they call at the end for some crumbled, you can use feta or some kind of Mexican cheese. We like melty baked cheese on things. So we got, I don't even know how to say that. Somebody comment below. Chihuahua? Yeah. Really? Yeah. Okay. This was fairly pricey, but it's a big bag of cheese, and cheese does not go to waste here at the Poor Guy household. So this is going to be for the end. Now, again, the recipe calls for it smoked, so to smoke it out there for 225 for an hour or something like that. We're not doing that. We're just going to bake it out there like you would in the oven. So I'm going 375. How long is it going to take? I don't know. Stay tuned. I'll tell you. All right, that's it. Let me get that thing fired up, and I'll show you what we're going to do outside. Peace. Look at it. It smells delicious. So I've never done this. Okay, so yeah, there's some smoke coming out. It's getting up to 375, so it'll boost up the smoke while it's regulating the temperature. We're going to go ahead and put it in because it says 381. It'll come down. Now there's going to be a hint of smoke in it, but I don't necessarily want to smoke it. It's just not what I'm looking for. What any of us are looking for. So we're going to let this go. I mean, really, all you're going to do is get the cheese, the cream cheese melted, and we're going to stir it together after a certain point, and then bring some of that Mexican cheese, some more tahine, a little bit more cilantro, pop it on top, and get that cheese nice and melty. Right on. Poor guy out there cooking. Stay tuned, and I'll let you know how long it took at 375 on the Z grills. Peace. Hey, let's check it out. It's been 20 minutes. That's all at 375. You can tell the Z grills is holding the temperatures real well. I mean, it's kind of melty. I probably should have brought my glove. I think we can get through it. Let's see if we can get this mixed up. Oh, yeah, that is hot. Yeah, we're going to mix this up. This isn't taking any time at all. I really should have brought my glove out, but I didn't. No, that's okay. We can get this mixed up. As you can see, it's doing the trick. Hold on 1 second. I just got to grab a towel because I need to grab a hold of that. Cheese got a little bakey on the one side, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue. It smells awesome. So it's easy. This isn't anything too difficult. And I think at this point, once I get this mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and add that Mexican melting cheese to it because I'm hungry. We're all hungry. So let's eat. Let's eat. Throw a little bit more tahini on there. Bear with me, folks. I want to make sure this is, nicey nice. Hmm? Yeah, it gives off some heat, all right. You can hear the fans kicking on because I've got this opened up. I mean, you can see that's cheesy goodness right there with the sour cream, the pepper jack, cream cheese. Oh, yeah. That is looking good. Well, look at I did my little thing. That's okay. That's okay. We'll set that there for now. We're blessed with not having very many flies out today, so that's a good thing. Let's do some more tahini. And let's get our Mexican melting cheese on there. And we're going with quite a bit of this. Because that's the way we like things. Now, the recipe that we looked up didn't call for this on top. It called for some kind of crumbly cheese like feta, but we're going with this. This is a melting cheese, so it should melt nicely according to what it says on the package. Z Grills is working great. So I have used this. I haven't done a video on every time I've cooked on it, but I actually did a full brisket on this not too long ago, and it turned out fantastic. So easy. Done a whole turkey, chicken, pulled ham. Good stuff. All right, so like I said, this has literally been 20 minutes at 375, and it was already to mix up. So at this point, we're just waiting for that cheese on top to melt and get a little bubbly and bring it in the house and give it a try like we always do here at PoorGuy Outdoor Cooking. Yeah, that's all I got to say right now. Peace. Bam! There it is. Oh my goodness. Let's get into this, shall we? It took about 45 minutes in total. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see right there. Oh, it's pretty hot. It's got a lot of cheese, and we like that. I didn't put any more cilantro on top, simply for the fact that we don't really love cilantro. It's okay in moderation, but let me give this a try. Cheers. Boy, hot. Yeah, that's all right. That's good. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very good. You can taste the jalapenos, the creaminess of the sour cream, cream cheese, and the Mexican melting cheese with the tahini. Ah, that's good stuff. Guys, you got to give this a try. There's recipes all over the place. Uh, PoorGuy doesn't typically list ingredients and recipes in his description box because, all you got to do is look it up on YouTube or Google it and find one that suits your taste. Mm. We're gonna eat this up. That's good. Before we get outdoor cooking, listen, if anybody's still here, I don't know if you saw, but I did a video on the Super Clean giveaway, Super Clean products, which will be out. We'll be picking the winner on the 17th. My friend over at Mile High Guy Barbecue, Scott, if you don't know him, I'll share a link to his channel. Most of you already know him. Scott approached me and said, hey, let's do the Super Clean giveaway. So one lucky winner is going to win Super Clean. And then Scott is also going to provide a Mile High Guy Barbecue prize too. So in the video, I'll be picking the Super Clean Super Clean winner first, and then we'll have another winner. So it'll be a 2-winner deal. One will win a gift from Mile High Guy Barbecue. Don't know what it is yet, so we'll be surprised. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, check out that video and comment. Has to be Super Clean in the comments for a chance to win. So double prize for that. Okay, we're going to eat this up. We like it. Peace.